On the first day of the workshop, Imran, the facilitator, didn't jump straight into the agenda. Instead, he invited the group to pause. "Before we begin," he said, "let's do a check-in." He passed around a softball and asked each person to share one word that described how they were arriving mentally, emotionally, or physically. Some said tired, others curious. One quietly offered anxious. The room softened. Walls started to come down. Throughout the day, the group tackled collaborative tasks, gave feedback, and explored ideas using the sketch and deck models. But what stood out most wasn't the activities, it was the tone. People listened, challenged gently, and showed up for each other. At the end of the day, Imran gathered them again. "Let's check out," he said. "What are you taking with you today?" One participant said, "I realized I've been holding back in my team." Another said, "I didn't think check-ins mattered, but now I feel like I belong here." That simple rhythm, arriving with presence, leaving with reflection, turned a one-day workshop into a space of connection and growth. It wasn't just about what they learned, but how they learned together.